If you are wondering if we have AI camera on Redmi A7 Pro, then the answer is no, not really. So usually in order to find some AI tools on a smartphone, you can just go to camera settings. Maybe you can try to find it over here if we open this additional panel or something. But in this case, you will not be able to find anything that could be said that it is using AI. Of course, if you actually open the settings of the camera, you will see AI recommendations in here. But these AI recommendations are QR code scanner and notifications about orientation, which personally I do not really think that these are AI tools. I mean, the QR code scanner is not really AI, and the orientation thing, I just don't believe Xiaomi uses AI to determine the orientation actually. So I just think these are just like marketing tricks or something, and it is not really truly AI features. And the only thing that I think is closest to AI is the beautify option. So in the photo mode, if I tap on this wand over here, I can switch to beautify, and we have this slider that technically should allow you to slightly, well, as the name suggests, beautify your pictures. And I believe we also have it available when using the front camera. In fact, we have a couple of more options in here. And of course, we can just turn it off if you want to. So I think these things are closer to the AI than, for example, a QR code scanner. But even then, I would say that these beautify filters are not really AI tools as well. So I think it's safe to say that there are no AI features available on this phone for the camera. Leave a like and subscribe.